Hey everyone! Have you noticed the latest trend of using anime clips paired with AI voiceovers to share motivational life lessons? These videos are blowing up on social media, racking up millions of views. But there's a catch: using random anime clips can land you in hot water with copyright issues. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to reveal a step-by-step method to create these viral anime videos using AI, without any legal hassles. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start making your own high-quality anime content that's both captivating and copyright-free. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more amazing videos like this one. I've also uploaded multiple videos on how to create viral shorts, so check those out if you want to grow a successful channel in just a few months. Now, let's get started and unleash your creativity. So the first thing we need to do is generate anime quotes for our videos. I know it might seem difficult, but AI is here to help. We'll be using ChatGPT to get these quotes. To do this, we'll type the following prompt: generate motivational quotes and metaphors that teach valuable life lessons. Ensure the language is professional yet engaging, similar to the conversational tone used by popular YouTubers. Avoid overly complex or robotic phrasing. Keep it simple, relatable, and human-like. ChatGPT will then create 5 quotes for our videos. We'll copy these quotes and paste them into a Word file. Make sure to save this file in the folder where you're keeping the other data for this video. If you want to start multiple faceless channels and earn money with easiest possible way, then you can take our free training. Check the link in the description. Next, let's create the voiceover. If you don't want your video sounding like a robotic Siri on a bad day, I'd recommend using 11 Labs. It's hands down the most realistic voiceover software out there, and guess what? They offer a free plan that gives you 20 minutes of voice generation each month, perfect for getting started without breaking the bank. So, head over to the Voices section on the left side of the screen. Here, you can browse through hundreds of unique voices. It's like a voiceover buffet, so take your pick. Find a voice that makes you say, "Yes, this is the one." Once you've found your match, paste in your script and hit Generate. Now, sit back and let the magic happen. For better video clips, we need to have good prompts. To generate these prompts, we'll be using ChatGPT. Paste your text into the command section and ask it to generate prompts for this script. ChatGPT will create 5 prompts, and we'll use each one to generate anime video clips. Now, to generate anime video clips, we will be using Pika. From my experience, I can say it's one of the best tools for creating anime video clips. First, search for Pika on Google. Click on the website and then click Try Pika. If you are new, simply sign in with Google or create an account. Click Continue to proceed. This is the interface of Pika. From here, you can upgrade your account. You'll see it mentions you're using the basic, free plan, which gives you 250 credits per month. To check the pricing, click here. They have 4 plans. 1. Basic, 250 free credits per month with the option to purchase extra credits. And other plans are also mentioned here. If you are getting any valuable content, kindly do subscribe our YouTube channel. Now, let's get back to generating our anime clips. We will copy the prompts we generated from ChatGPT and paste them into the description section. To modify the prompts, click here. You can control the camera and select the aspect ratio. We will choose 9:16 as it's the preferred ratio for YouTube Shorts. Look here at the negative prompt section. It means what you don't want in your video. I'll add blur here. The seed field is where you name your project. Naming all projects the same will prevent it from generating and modifying your model. Increase the frame rate to 24. Now, click here to generate our first video clip. While it's generating, we'll repeat this process for all the prompts to generate more clips. Now our clips are ready. Click here to check them. You can also change the effects of your clip by clicking here. I think this one looks good. Let's download it by clicking here. Now check the second clip. It's also good. Let's download it. We'll download all the clips. Finally, we have all the clips downloaded for our short anime video. All resources links will be available in description. You can download it from there. Video editing. To edit the videos, we will be using CapCut. Open CapCut. To edit a video, first create a new project. Import the data we have gathered for the video. This includes all images, clips, audio, and background music. Now, drag the voiceover to the Layers section. Next, drag the background music to the Layers section. Right-click and select Extract Audio to separate the background music. Delete the original music layer. Listen to the audio and adjust it. Decrease the background volume and listen again to ensure it sounds good. Drag all the media files into the media section one by one. To adjust the clips, slow them down as needed. Set the ratio for YouTube Shorts by clicking on the 9:16 ratio. You may notice a pica watermark. To remove it, click on the stickers and search for blur. Choose a suitable blur sticker, drag it to the layers, and place it over the watermark. Adjust it until it looks good. Remember to set the volume to 0 for all media clips where you don't need sound. Now, let's play the video. It's looking good, but to make it more attractive, we'll add some effects. Click on Effects and type black in the search bar. You'll see black noise. Download it and drag it above the media layers. We'll also use another effect called Black Forest. Add it as well, then play the video again. The next important thing is captions. Videos with captions tend to go more viral. You might think adding captions is difficult, but CapCut makes it easy with AI. Click on Text and then Auto Captions. Click Generate, and your captions will be created automatically. Now, let's change the style of the text. Click on Template and choose one that looks good. Drag the captions to the center or another preferred position. I like to place them in the center. Finally, click on the Export section. Here, you can name your file, choose the desired folder, set the resolution, and adjust other settings. Click Export. This is the final result of our video.
Life is like a river, constantly flowing and changing its course. Sometimes, we resist the currents, afraid of where they might take us. But remember, even the mighty...
Hope you liked our content. For such more amazing content, do subscribe us.